boat excursion with La Sibilla will easily be a trip highlight. With friendly tour guides, crystal blue waters, and sun-drenched days, you don't want to miss this Amalfi favorite. We chose the Capri tour, allowing us to admire the beautiful coastline of Praiano, Positano, the natural arch, the green cave, white cave, and of course, the famous Blue Grotto. Upon reaching the Blue Grotto, passengers are given the option to disembark into a smaller boat, more like a canoe, for entry into the cave. La Sibilla boat excursions give you 4 hours to explore the island of Capri. To expedite your time, choose an open-air taxi. You will not regret it. We enjoyed a chairlift ride from Anacapri up to Monte Solero to enjoy the beautiful views before heading back down. On your boat ride back, feel the wind in your hair and enjoy a relaxing swim along the beautiful Amalfi Coast waters before drifting off to the rhythm of the sea. La Sibilla boat excursions offer departures from Praiano, Amalfi, and Positano for all your boating needs.